joy. I won. Frank picked my name out of the hat to name his sculpture. So I called the sculpture Rusty. So the names goes in the hat, and he picked my name out. Wow! I'm a bit like Jesse and Jaden out of Twin Life. I can't jump as high as Jaden. I can't jump as high as Jaden and Jesse. I can't jump high enough. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Friday, 22nd of November. Start of a new weekend. End of the week. Now let's go the other way around. End of the week, start of a new weekend. Welcome to my new vlog. It's Friday. Now I'm just about to go and pick up my brother to go to Yarrawonga, because we're going to Yarrawonga today for lunch. So it's going to be hot. Well, it was hot yesterday. We got to 40-degree heat yesterday. So today, I don't know, may not reach 40. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day so far. So I'll catch you down the road. See ya. Bye. Say g'day to Rusty for me. Get if you get trouble. Oh, it's hot. Very, very hot out here. Very gusty. Me, Trev. Welcome. Today is Thursday, 21st of November, and it's around about 5:30, and we have 40 degrees Celsius at the moment. It is hot. This is the hottest day so far. So that's 40 degrees, that's about 103 degrees in Fahrenheit. That is pretty hot. So I come out here, as soon as I get outside, the heat just whacks your face. Look at that. Oh. It's hot. It is very smoky. We had some drops of rain before, but not very heavy. We need more. We need a lot. So, yeah. You can see I've mowed the lawn. That looks pretty clean. I've got to do those weeding around the fence lines. Yeah, it takes time. I've got to get rid of those weeds. I can only do it by hand. So it is cloudy, look at it. But there's a lot of smoke and dust in there. So we're expecting some thunderstorms. So once you get a lightning strike now, that's it. It's barbecue time. Yeah, bushfires. Don't want that. We really don't want that. I know how the people feel up at Queensland and New South Wales. They've really been, that's the biggest bushfires they've ever experienced, I think. And it could hit here in Victoria, but at the moment out in the Mallee, out in the west, is the hottest. It's code red at the moment, and here in the northeast it's not code red, but there are fire restrictions here, so we cannot light a fire here at all, not so whatsoever, not in your life. So it's really, the wind is really picking up. Hot wind. If we get a lightning strike now, it's going to be an absolute havoc. You know, once it starts fire around those treetops in the distance, you know, that's it. We're in for it. But at the moment, we're pretty safe. I hope it all passes. I hope we get cold. I hope the temperature drops and we get a lot of rain. It'd be good. Alright, alright. You're not getting any food. Get your own. Alright?
Hard to get up.
Okay. Where are we? Lake Mulwala. Yeah, Yarrawonga. Having our lunch, having our fish and chips. There we go, look at that, fish and chips. Oh, we're getting hounded by these seagulls and the pelicans. There's a pelican, they're not getting any. Scavengers. No. So, righto, here we are. Look at that. We're not getting any more. That's it, we're finished. Look at that. He's very cunning, isn't he? No, you're not getting any. Okay. Go on. Shoot. Finish the lunch. Now we've just finished our lunch. Those pelicans and the seagulls really made a scramble, didn't they? I just gave them the last crumb. They're very cunning. So, go find somebody else's food. There we are. Peter and I. We're just down there on there. I hope you're having a great day. We are. So now we're just about to have an ice cream and head up. Ice cream, yes. Welcome. A cup of tea, a piece of cake, and a chat. I've had a great day. Been over to Yarrawonga, having fish and chips for lunch with my brother Peter. And we had a great lunch. It was good. It was great. What am I eating? A cake. I bought a cake, a sponge cake. It's actually, what is it? What's the name of it? It's a fresh cream and caramel sponge cake. Yeah. Now, the reason why I got this, because last week, on my birthday, 12th of November, Tuesday, I know we went out for dinner at the Dragon Gate Chinese restaurant in Benalla, and I said to Peter and my brother, I didn't buy a cake for myself. He said, don't worry. He said, you got food. So I didn't have a cake. I didn't buy a cake, so here it is. I'm making it up now. Birthday cake. Yeah. I haven't got any candles, but who cares? It's a cake. Oh, dig into the cake. Happy birthday, Trev. Yeah. Mmm. And a donut as well. Mmm. I've had a good day. I've had a good week. I've had a busy week. Doing my community driving. And thank you, Frank. I must come and see Rusty sometime. Must come and meet him. What do you reckon? Yeah, I'll have to call in and see Rusty. Rusty, the statue. Yes, with a shovel. Yeah, and so I hope you had a good week. And yeah, this is really nice. And also thank you to Tango Boldy for blowing up that blue balloon. I actually requested it. Well, requested to blow up a blue balloon. Blue is my favourite colour. So what he does, he puts cream over the balloon, blows it up, and the cream just goes everywhere. Oh God. That's Tango Boldy. He's got a channel. Go to him. He's a lovely guy, really. He'll entertain you with balloons. If you like balloons, well, Tango Boldy is the master of it. Yeah. And also I want to mention about our twin life, the twin boys. They had a channel. They called themselves Our Twin Life, but then they changed it to Twin Family, I think it was, or something like that. But now they've got a new name called the Ergos. The Ergos. It's a good name. I like it. Yeah, because the twin boys are growing up, so they're not kids anymore. They're teenagers. So I'm going to put a link down below to the Ergos. You can go to their channel. And also Tango Boldy as well. You can go to his channel. Yes, Frank. I'll put your link there too as well. Oh dear. So anyway, I'm going to finish this vlog. And it's been a hot day. Yesterday was very, very hot. Got to 40 degrees. Some say it got to 41. Probably be right. And there have been a few fires around too, bushfires, around Rochester areas, New South Wales, just over the border there a bit. But it hasn't affected anywhere closer to Wangaratta, my hometown. And but we were very lucky. But look, there are going to be warm and more hotter days yet to come, so it's not over yet. So, but today it was just nice. So anyway, until Monday, great harmony, peace, bye. You'll never know what I get up to next. Bye. I'm going to eat this cake. I'm going to devour it. I don't care about the weight. Some people may say, oh, it's too fattening. But look, I don't eat this every day. It's not I eat it every day. I eat once on a different occasion. Alright. So why not? Have a great weekend. Do you like this cake? Look at that. Oh yes, oh yes. Jumping for joy. I won. I won. Wow. A bit like Jesse and Jaden. They're the twin life. I can't jump. I can't jump as high as Jaden. I can't jump as high as Jaden. Just